In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the vocal track in your Suno AI project. Whether you're a seasoned audio enthusiast or just starting to delve into the world of sound editing, altering your vocal tracks can add that extra bit of polish to your project, and Suno AI makes it an easy and intuitive process. First, you'll want to open your project in Suno AI, launch the application, and load the specific project that you're currently working on. This is your creative canvas, so make sure you have all your elements ready. If you're coming back to a project, take a moment to listen through your existing tracks to reacquaint yourself with the flow and sound you previously intended. Once you have your project open, the next step is to select the vocal track that you want to change. Carefully navigate through your tracks. Suno AI typically has a simple, user-friendly interface that allows you to find and select the track easily. Most often, the tracks will be labeled clearly to help you identify them without much hassle. Click on the track to highlight it. This selected track is now ready for editing, and you can confirm you've got the correct one by playing it back momentarily. Now comes the exciting part, changing the vocal sound. You can do this by using voice modulation options or selecting a different AI voice preset. Suno AI offers a variety of modulation tools and voice presets that can dramatically change the character, style, and tone of your vocals. When selecting an AI voice preset, you'll find several options tailored to different genres and styles. It might be helpful to have in mind what mood or tone you want to achieve in your final track. Spend some time experimenting with these options and don't hesitate to play around and explore. Sometimes unexpected choices lead to the most creative outcomes. After making your changes, it's crucial to preview them, listen to the playback, and assess how the altered voice fits into the entirety of your project. Pay attention to the blend and balance of the new voice with the other elements in your audio track. Is it conveying the message or emotion you intended? Does it enhance the storytelling of your piece? Use this preview opportunity to make any fine-tuning adjustments necessary. Finally, once you're satisfied with the sound, be sure to save your project. Click on the Save option, making sure to choose a file name that indicates the version of your project you're working on. Consistently saving your changes ensures that your hard work is preserved and that you can return to or share your newly polished track later. And there you have it. You've transformed your project using Suno AI's voice modulation tools with just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in creating amazing audio projects in the future.